I said we could never be, oh I even try, don't know why we tried, I don't know why we tried.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. At first I want to say thank you guys for subscribing. For those of you that are new, thank you for joining us. So before we get into this video, if you could like this video, comment, and subscribe if you're not a returning subscriber, and then don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can know when I post my next video. So this video today is going to be about the unboxing of my heavy duty cup camera mount. So this is a mount for my car that is compatible with my Canon G7X camera. And so also with that, I bought the 90 milliliter adhesive dash mounting disc. And so what this does is it allows your camera to be anywhere in your car, mounted anywhere, because with just the suction on the bottom of this, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's different things in your car, like different angles in the car on the dash that may not allow this part of the thing, the mount, to suction. So you have the option of buying one of these to, I don't know if you guys, there you go, to make sure that you can stick it anywhere in the car and it will actually be mounted and stay. I did some research, I watched some videos because I wanted to be able to do more vlogs, and I wanted to be able to talk to you guys and produce videos while I'm on the road, whether it be going to work, coming home from work, going to the grocery store, in the grocery store, going to pick up medication, whatever it is. I wanted to be able to share that part of my life with you guys. And so I did some research, and I found out that this is the best, maybe the only one that will work for the Canon G7X camera. And so I purchased this probably like 3 weeks ago now, and I have obviously yet to put it up in my car. So I will do this video, and then I will have a video showing you guys what it looks like in my car as well, to show you guys how well it works or how well it doesn't work, because it basically goes off of my opinion on what I think of the product. So it says thank you for using EXSHOW, is what pops up, or when you open the box, I'm sorry. So in it is, in it is this thing, and I believe this is for, I actually don't know what that's for, sorry, but it's just this little tool right here, and I think it might be to put, I'm not sure, so let's see. So inside the box there is a little manual, and it comes and it tells you what's in the box. So the tripod base is what that is. So if you guys can see, that first one matches up with this one right here, and it's a tripod base. So what it does is you can actually use this, use your camera, use this for your camera on a tripod. And then also the suction mount is what comes with it as well. All right, and so this is just a little manual right here telling you how exactly to install it. So this side is, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this side is in English, and this side is in another language. So you guys can see that. If you're bilingual or you speak Japanese, you can have that as an option. And so I'm going to take the mount itself out of the plastic here. And so instantly when you open it, there's this clear mount on the bottom. Also, you can loosen up this screw here, and I believe you can adjust, it adjusts the neck of the mount. And then there's this little, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a flap right here that goes down. And also there's a knob over here that you can undo. And what that knob does is it raises this. So you can put your camera up or down. You can put it up. You can tilt it. You can do it however you would like. I would show you guys. I just looked around for my camera for some reason. I'm so sorry when I'm using it. But if I could have shown you guys what it looks like with my camera on it, I would have. But once I do it in the car, you guys will be able to see. So, so once again, this knob here, it turns this right here. This knob right here allows you to go up and down with how you want to mount your camera. And then this flap here allows you to raise it, or I'm sorry, when you put this flap down, it raises this button, so it pushes the suction up. So if you see it, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but when I put this flap down, you guys will see what it does. Hold on. It closes the suction. So I think that's really cool, because once you put it on the dash, you put it on the dash and then you put this here to suck to the car, the dash. And like I said, if it's not enough, you still have the option of buying one of these. What I will do in the description box below is I will put down the product names and where I got them from. I basically ordered these on Amazon, and they were very, very cheap. It was under 20 bucks for both pieces together. And so I thought it was a really cool idea, a good deal, because I found this from researching on how to get a car, you know, to put my camera in the car. And so this is just a mount, a suction disc, a mounting disc, disc for the dashboard. And so I'm going to open this up and let you guys see what this is about. So they have an alcohol pad that you can clean the surface with before placing the mount. This mount right here, it doesn't have the ability to cave in and cave, you know, if that makes sense. I believe this has it, only because of the fact that the bottom of the actual tool itself doesn't go in and out. It's just standard. And so this allows you to put anywhere on your car, and then this thing will suction to it and it won't move. So there's a 3M strip on the back of this. You peel it off and stick it down on wherever you want it in the car, and then you will place this on top, lifting that lever and then putting the lever down so that it can suction to it. And then you can attach your camera how you see fit. And then also with that, it comes with a manual, and within the manual it shows you different sizes of mounts that you can purchase. And I believe with my mount, it is the biggest one. So my mount is the AP020. If you guys can see that, let me let it zoom in for a second. Hold on. Come on, zoom in. It's not gonna clear up. But it's this one right here, guys. And then you can get one smaller and you can get one even smaller. I guess it depends on how you want to have your products placed in your car, or what space you have provided. And so on here it just kind of shows you step by step how to clean the surface, place the mount itself, clean the surface, place the mount, and then put the mount down, and making sure that it is in the right position. So yeah, so I will be back to do another video on what that looks like in my car. I will go for a drive to see, because I live in a neighborhood where there's like 7 speed bumps before I get out of my neighborhood, and so I will go on that ride to see what I think of the mount itself and the stability of it with my camera, to see if it's a good, you know, investment purchase, or if it's not. I will also give my review on it after that. I've not heard any bad reviews on it after doing my research. I think honestly it's going to be a great tool. If you do have the Canon G7X and you feel like you can't find anything for your car, that's why you don't do car vlogs or whatever, this one is going to be probably, I'm pretty sure, the one that you would want to search for first. It doesn't look like there's many of them out there, that works for the Canon G7X. So this is the reason why I went with this one and I chose this one. But that's not to say that somebody else won't find something that works for them. Disclaimer, I'm not saying that this is the best product. I'm not getting paid. I'm not sponsored. None of that. I just think that this is going to be a great one because I've watched many videos with people actually mounting this in their car, driving, hitting speed bumps, you know, going fast, going slow, and it did not budge. So that's just my take on it. If you guys have any questions about this, feel free to put your questions in the comment section below. And yeah, I will be back with more videos to let you guys know. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.